SpaceX fifth Falcon Heavy rocket blasted off from Kennedy Space Center at 5:56 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on January 15, 2023. The Falcon Heavy hauled two satellites into orbit for the U.S. Space Force. The semi-classified mission for the Space Force is designed USSF-67 mission. The Falcon Heavy headed east from the Kennedy Space Center and kicked off the roughly 6-hour ascent to the geosynchronous orbit, where the rocket released its tandem payloads one at a time, more than 22,000 miles over the equator. If you are a spectator watching the flight nearby, you can hear a rumbling from the Falcon Heavy's 27 Merlin main engines, generating more than 5 million pounds of thrust to propel the rocket skyward. SpaceX Falcon Heavy put on a spectacular sky show after blasting off from Kennedy Space Center. Here's a look at the two side boosters separating from the core stage and propelling themselves back to Cape Canaveral for landing. Here you can see the core stage is shown throttling up to continue downrange with two U.S. Space Force satellites. The Falcon Heavy's two side boosters successfully returned to Cape Canaveral for landings after liftoff on the USSF-67 mission. SpaceX boosters flew on a Falcon Heavy launch last year. They'll be reused again for a Falcon Heavy launch this spring. The U.S. Space Force just confirmed last night's USSF-67 mission was a success. The mission placed two payloads directly in a near geosynchronous orbit more than 20,000 miles over the equator, requiring a long duration coast by the upper stage. The deployment of the two main payloads on the USSF-67 mission about 6 hours after launch. The payloads are the Space Force Continuous Broadcasting Augmenting STATCOM-2 communications satellite and the long-duration propulsive ESPA-3A or LPDE-3A spacecraft. Mission well done, SpaceX. God bless.